Yeah, you made a way for me. You made a way for me. You made a way for me. My life, my life. Yeah.
Hey guys, morning. Day 1. Kaya toast. Hindi. Hindi ako abot ng 7:30. Ito ba po? We use our GCash card for transpo. Sit-in. Where's your GCash card? This one. We're here at Resorts World. Sentosa. Okay, that's us. Hi. Nasa Universal. Can you hear me, guys? Yung mic kasi. We booked, ano yung 10? Ano yung binook natin? Cable car. Cable car. Tapos 1,535 siya each. Kami ng dalawa. Travel. Charot.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd
Matawid kami.
leave my
Kami lang yung nakakain sa scrub. Parang saan sila magpa-ambon. Guys, magpa-ambon sa kami kami. Wala kami. Ano?
I'll never.
May photos na may Maria and then si Marlion na kami banda. Sobrang init, grabe. Humid siya.
Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just a
Guys, wait lang. Sobrang gulo ng weather dito. Aambon, tapos biglang sobrang init niya. Parang magkakasakit ka talaga. And ayoko magkasakit. Sa mall na lang kami. Kasi sobrang init. This is my food. Wala kayo? Sarap. Parang beef steak. Hindi bulgogi. Tendek pa mo, parang Pinoy. Guys, lasang beef steak. We're back. Select kami. Let's look at them navigating. Ang ate at kuya. And it's just me following them. Kasi, ito talaga. Ganito talaga. Kawawa kasi sila kapag ako yung nag-navigate dyan. Ligaw-ligaw kami.
Let's go racing by in silence. I'm just a passenger with you, baby. All that you've ever known is freedom. World I've only known from the outside looking in. Heard a heartbeat in this ghost town.
Kaya na nakitang ganito sa Philippines pa.
But you. Oh yeah,
know
tell me
na
when the
this one
sun
is-
goes down. Who sees my secret truth?
8:10.
When the night comes, I meet you in the shallows. It gets too deep. Pull me from the tide. Signal the lighthouse. I meet you in the shelter. Against the storm, I'll be by your side. It's true, it's true. Only this moment with you, with you. When the night comes, I meet you in the shallows. It gets too deep. I'll pull you from the tide.
Oh my gosh. Right? Yun nga, we're supposed to cross the street there, oh. Tama siya ng direction. Actually, either siya lang or si Sir Ace yung magdadasal kung saan kasi wala naman na ako sa
Just one touch.
sa eksena. Hindi ako kasali.
Promise. I
Ganun. Anyway, okay.
And stop the blood. You pull me out, and I can't get enough. When the night comes, I'll meet you in the shallow.
Yay, Pilipino siya! Sama natin sa vlog. Oh my gosh. Hindi kami hirap. Okay po. Hindi kami hirap mag-order sa Wingstop. Yay! Buffalo first. Sorry, vlog. Guys, may kita nyo yan. Kasi si type natin niya yung water. Ito. Yan. Wow. Perfect. Sarap ng ranch din na. It's already 8:22 p.m. Wala namang difference with time sa Philippines. Ang creepy na po ng dinadaanan namin. Papunta na ata to ng gabi ng lagim. Or damami. Guys, totoo lang guys. Guys, hindi ako nanonood ng horror guys ha. Lah, gagi. May nag-ano pa. May nagbiblig-blig pa. Na ilaw eh no. Ayun. May lagusan pala. Sorry. Ginudge namin kagad yung daan. Super cool. It looks like a straight in Harajuku kasi may mga paakyat din doon. Super cute! Laying na ba? It's our day 2. Pero half day na lang kami dito sa SG. Because may flight pa kami to Bali. And magbe-breakfast lang din kami. So, yeah. Diba? Hi. Good morning, guys. Class na siya. With my hands. I got, ano ito? Waffle and then Milo and condensed milk. We're checking out na and magbabas kami. Nasa Changi Airport na kami. Ano? Diba meron siya talaga? Guys, na parang siya si si Electricity Man. That's so amazing. Guys, ang dami naming niwas kasi ang dami nagtitake ng photos. Guys, kasi merong ng Friends XP, So we want to try. Is there a bayad? This one ba? This one. Thank you! Strawberry Oreo, McFlurry. Always cheeseburger. Guys, may nakaharang na fries. Siya. This is parang double mocha na frap. Tekmo mo rin to. It's 51 na. 1:15 yung boarding namin. Na pang food. Ito yun. Kapag hanggang dito lang yung vlog, yung sabi na iwan kami. What? Guys. 5 minutes na lang ito board. Oh my God! Kasi, thank you! 10. Guys, umabot kami. Oh my God! Umabot. Touchdown na kami. See? We're in Indonesia. Gaya naman ang vlog na to. Levy? Para saan?
Tourists.
Tax for tourists. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog. Pero nakalabas na kami sa immigration and then yung arrival card nila for scanning. Grab na kami. Ano oras na? Parang 6 p.m. na. Dinner na lang. Guys, kailangan natin ng flashlight. Ayan. So cute. Is she pregnant? Okay. Here is their menu. And then, this is for the drinks. I'm gonna get yung Earl Grey ng TWG. For our appetizer, we have calamari and potato wedges. Let's eat, guys. Gutom na tayo. Our pasta is already here. Mine's lasagna, carbonara, and hers tends. Sorry. Okay.
Sit.
Guys, this is the view from our room. Oh my gosh. It's our full day here in Bali. We're on our way to have a breakfast. We're just staying here. So, ordered their Kyoto matcha latte. Pa-hair salon kami nito.
Oh, you make flow.
Yeah.
Now you're at the airport drinking coffee, waiting for your plane, leaving me behind for a new set of streets to memorize. New bed sheets and carpet tile. I'm still packing my things, trying to catch you before it leaves. Running through the door, every red light. There's no time to wait around. I need you now.
We ordered quesadilla.
Now I panic in the back of an expensive car. Out past the bridge, I can see the planes. Are you in the gate with your headphones on? Are you in the cabin and you're not in love? I can't live in this city without you. I wouldn't know where to go to escape. I can't sleep in that bed without.
Umalis na kami sa Ubod. Bumalik na kami. And nasa Starbucks kami right now. And parang nag-itim kami. At nakatulog kami sa Grab kung haba ng biyahe. 80 minutes.
I can follow behind you. Figure out a new way to paint the red.
So, we're checking out. Two-way nila to. Yung one-way na daan sa atin, sa kanila two-way. So, super sikip talaga. Ayan o, see? Guys, look kung saan kami nag-walk. We have to pick our oil, no? For our... Then, where's mine? This is mine. We have complimentary drink that tastes buko. For your preference, massage preferences, buti na lang nakaabot kami. Nag-walk-in lang kami. Buti nakaabot po. Kasi punta na kami ng Kuala Lumpur tomorrow night. Look at their massage beds. Excited. Look at us. Here. Guys, it's time for us now. Bye. Hi guys! It's our last day in Bali. Walang to. At yan, grabe, super init. Dapat gigimik kami last night. Kaso, wala nang mga damit. Hindi na namin naisip. Nasa Milano kami for breakfast. And it comes to expenses, syempre mas mura sa Bali compared sa Siargao. Guys, I got their pineapple. Pero hindi pwede because wala pong laman yung chan ko. Very accessible naman, guys, kasi may Grab sila dito. English breakfast, guys. Sa kakaarte ko, mabubuhos to. Guys, can you... Si OA talaga. Pero dito na lang kami instead dun sa may Labisa malapit kasi pack yun ng tao. Nice, thank you. Mismatch. However, once 2 pesos leave it naman. Guys, ganito siya. Medyo pack talaga.
250.
Oh my God. Ito man. This is the other side. Super pack. Don't know if we can get it. This one. Excuse me.
Oh, bike?
Guys, finally, sobrang init. What's your order? Dirty Sakura white chocolate. And drinks lang? Yeah. Okay, me also. What's your order?
It's ice sea salt.
Okay, stop na. Okay. Naka-order na kami. Thank you, Lord. May aircon. Sobrang init. Guys, tignan nyo naman yung itim ko. Para bang okay lang. Sun-kissed skin so hot. Hindi ko alam yung palam nyo, but I have piercings. Wala yung hikaw kapag syempre nag-work ako. And then, there. Thank you.
Cheese waffle with the pumpkin.
Wow, alright. Ang dami ng complimentary, guys. This one is a pumpkin sauce. Masang cold beef. Cold beef. Cold beef? I love. Sarap, no? Babalik na kami sa accommodation and papunta na rin kami ng airport. Guys. After masiraan ng Grab, di hawak lang ng luggage. Hey guys, we're at Kuala Lumpur na and it's gonna be a 1-day trip lang kasi later is our flight na din at 6 p.m. Packed yung gagawin naming itinerary sa Singapore tsaka sa Indonesia wala kami itinerary pero this time since 1 day lang may itinerary kami. So bahala na ako makapag-vlog ako. Magmamadali kami. 5 minutes daw yung Grab. Mag-Grab kami papuntang Batu Caves. Guys, look at them. Wow. So cool. Oh, they're just flying together. Hi. Chilling. Hello. Then, Ali, Grace. Nasa KL Central Station daw kami. And maglalagay lang kami ng bag luggage storage kasi mamaya pa yung flight. Nag-check out na kami. And then we'll be here then mamaya because may transfer to the airport and it will take us 28 minutes lang for the vlog. Siyempre di ko kaya. Grab na ulit kami for our late lunch kasi nga inuna na namin yung luggage. I got their strawberry matcha. Hindi. Punta kaming anong street? Petaling Street. Gaga ka talaga. Guys, pinindot na naman niya yung sa sa traffic lights. Sobrang siga. This is heaven for me. So, iisa ko napili. Fish. So, na natin. If ano pa. Parang siyang
Yo, here I go again. Fighting all these lies doesn't